everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a hot question. With all the hype around AI, can it actually replace CCIE engineers? Now, I get why people ask this. AI tools today can generate configs, analyze logs, even troubleshoot at a basic level. Sounds powerful, right? But here's the thing, what does a CCIE really bring to the table? It's not just about pushing commands. CCIEs design complex networks, make high-stakes decisions, and troubleshoot scenarios that no script or tool has seen before. Take an example. If a global bank's network goes down, artificial intelligence might say, just reroute traffic. But a CCIE will step back and think, what about security, compliance, business continuity, user impact? That level of judgment, that big picture view, artificial intelligence simply doesn't have it. So, my take? Artificial intelligence will not replace CCIE engineers. What's actually happening is AI is becoming a partner. The real edge belongs to engineers who can combine their CCIE level expertise with AI and automation tools. That's the future. And this is exactly what we focus on at Hind Networks. We don't just train you to pass the CCIE lab, we prepare you for real-world networking, automation, and the evolving role of AI in our industry. That's why so many of our students don't just clear the lab, they thrive in their careers. So, if you want to build that kind of future-proof career, now's the time to start.